Hi everyone, so welcome to Crypto Agyani. Today with me Mr. Irshad from IBW here with us. Just a few questions about the India Web3 community. Let's see that. Welcome Irshad.
Thank you very much.
What do you think about Bitcoin in India?
I don't know, but from an Indian perspective, I think awareness has been growing a lot. But I think the biggest challenge is regulations, and that stops a lot of people from going towards believing more in Bitcoin. I think we're still at a stage where majority of India does not necessarily believe in power of Bitcoin or even consider it to be close to what gold is for value. So I think it's just going to take some time. It's with regulations. We're already seeing what's happening in the global environment. With regulations slightly easing, with Trump coming into power in the US, with so many new ETFs coming in, money coming from company treasuries, etc., that's flowing in. I think it's just a matter of time that things start happening in India as well. I think there's one company that's already been accumulating Bitcoin from its own balance sheet. That's Jetkin. Yeah, I think regulations definitely can help more. And from a retail perspective, I know for sure, like the crypto degens, the ones who already held Bitcoin a long time ago, they're definitely big on it. But I'm not sure how many newer guys, especially few from the crypto community, would just get into accumulating Bitcoin at this moment. I think because people still see a lot of upside with a few other opportunities. So yeah, I mean, we yet to see how things unfold on that front.
Okay. Thank you. And guys, please follow Irshad. Obviously, don't forget to join IBW 2025 and meet Irshad. Obviously, he will be very busy during the event. You cannot catch him, but you try to meet him and say, hi, I watched your videos and it was very good if you like. So thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.